Hello, fashion lovers! Welcome back to Afro Chic Fashion Trends. Here, we celebrate captivating African fashion in all its richness. In today's video, we're exploring beautiful bridesmaids robe and wedding day dress or gowns ideas for your bridal party. From cozy bridal shower robes and unique floral or personalized robes that makes each bride special, to stunning satin robes and gorgeous bridesmaid dresses for the big day, you can sure we've got you covered. Let's begin with the DIY bridal or bridesmaid robes for bridal showers. They are a fun way to set the mood for your celebration and capture unforgettable photos and videos. Whether you're looking for a classic satin robes in blush pinks and delicate pastel, or luxurious personalized robe embroidery with each bridesmaid name, will help you find a style that makes everyone feel part of the moment. Whether you are drawn to the lace detail, top patterns, traditional touches, or something sleek and simple, there's a perfect robe for each of your girls. Now, let's talk about the bridesmaid dresses for your white wedding. The right color scheme can truly transform your wedding aesthetic, from timeless neutral like soft champagne and blush to bolder choices like deep emerald, navy blue, or rich burgundy. We have got ideas to suit every season and theme. Picture your bridal party in these trending colors, adding elegance and style to your big day. If you're looking for that ideal balance of elegance and fun in bridal party robes and bridesmaid dresses, don't miss our top picks in this video, and be sure to stay tuned until the end, where we share some expert tips for coordinating bridal colors to create a flawless wedding album. Before we get started, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on our latest wedding style guides. If you are loving these ideas, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and share it with your bridal squad. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know in the comments which robes and dress ideas you love the most for your bridal party. Until next time, happy planning, and we'll see you in the next video. Ciao!